What's up? It's about time. We do it one more time. I hope you guys have been doing good. So I'm currently trying to set up uh, my chat at the moment. So bear with me. So 27, 19, 17, 17. Supposed to be around that time. So usually this is what I do pre-market, but I'm kind of late in a way. So I get all my levels first, and if you can see POC, that's number one. Value area low and high. These are the levels I usually tend to look when I'm trading, as well as TPO. It's a clear indication of currently where we are. So we're approaching that value area high. Mind you, we had all these, so that gap because of the news which came out over the weekend. So we're trying to approach that area, which was a cash session during last week on Friday. So the POC same levels are on my 5 minutes, which is 15. Then after that, then we get, the biggest areas, especially here. This is a supply zone right here. So that's number one, and as well as the demand zone, which is around here. Right there. So this is our we're approaching that supply zone. Then after that, then it's CVD on the left. So let me just, all right, cool. 2 minutes to go. We are near the POCs. Friday's POC. Let me change this to 5 minutes. Oh, let me just lock this. One minute to go, some few seconds. So there were all these buyers right here, which this area they were absorbed. Mind you, we are on that like heading to that supply zone, which is around here. So we open. So we've tested that POC right here. So let's see if we close above. So if you can see on the 30 minutes, like this is a very key zone, and that's where POC is. But if we would want to take a trade, sorry, my bad. Let's see. So if you see the CVD what it does, so we have more buyers right here. All these buyers being absorbed. If we see a close below right here, then it will be a good indication of trying to push higher, lower. Sorry. So a break of this is a good indication of our first entry. We want us to see it break, not like test, because this is, this is our highest high, then tapping. So we have not closed on CVD. I'd love to see more volume coming in and not trying to test the POC. So if this closes, then yeah, this is an indication of getting my first sell. Then I'll target right here. So we'll try and get another entry right here. Usually I wait for such, because the only place this could be, we have more sellers coming in. CBD looking good. So right here as well, we have we get another entry right here. Right there. We have two entries. Let's see if we get stopped out. This could have been our first entry, just tap me out. I think if we get topped out, then it's okay. We're out of that trade. So this is an indication of we have changed momentum to the upside right here. You're back at that POC. Still CVD looks bearish. Let's see what happens. So apparently we have all these buyers squeeze right here, which they're not taking price up. Let's see if we close below. If we close below, then we're gonna take a sell. So we're down. I'm left like above of 100 and something. After that, then I should be out. So if you break here, then I'll be taking a buy. But the only problem is to the downside, we have more, sell activity going on rather than a buy momentum. But let's see. I want this to be inverted, and I'll become a support. We have still buyers coming in to the market, but the way we're back on that after breakout on CVD. We do have a bit of consolidation right here. So let's see what happens. If we break below, then I want it to close below that inversion. That would be good. And stop loss right here. And I will increase position right here if we close below. Then we just let's look where we can pull. So 20, let's do 26 6 26 693 26 693 26 6 I put right here. So we want it to close below, just like that. Then we have more sellers coming in, but the only problem we headed to, we'll try and manage right here. Yeah, I did not like how we did not close. I wanted to see a candle close, bearish. So in that that demand zone, no buyers coming in. A little bit push to here. This is where we'll be getting out on that view up. So we don't have we have all this um you know there's no s- there's no support of buyers trying to take. We have buyers coming in, okay, but we don't have um sellers pushing price lower. CVD is turning positive delta, which means we still have this, which has been like now as a resistance. So we just have to wait and see how it plays out. I don't like this consolidation right here. So we are testing value area low last week Friday. So we're currently above today's. Yeah, we're also testing the very early area high today's. So let's see how it plays out. The only problem is how we did not close, our body did not close below that. This might be just a liquidation um, zone. And mind you, we are also on demand zone, which is right here. So we have more volume, or rather more buying pressure right here. So above here, yeah, this will be invalidated. So but mind you, we did not break to the upside. We kind of like now consolidating in a way. We have 1 minute to in like 15 minutes into the cash session, which typically means like we're gonna have maybe another like opportunities to see if we can get you know open. I'm trying to manage this. My thoughts are not thoughting. I don't like how it's playing out, but it's good like that expansion, then a consolidation. That's good. The only problem is we are not closing below this low. That's why it doesn't look good. It might be kind of like reverse, trying to close bullish. This candle, this diamond kind of might change and close bullish. We just we kind of broke that low. It's low, That's the only thing we did. So it's not trying to close below. And also, if you can see right here, we have this support, the support, which we currently at, and as well as that's volume node, low volume node. But this expansion longer because we have a big expansion, then we're consolidating. So if we see like a breakout, okay, maybe even a candle closing below, that would be good, you know, rather than, we did not close right here. Still all the candles, they are closing above. CVD is supporting a move to the downside, but this 30 minutes, I don't know. We have closed. We can say we have closed. Body has closed below. So let's see what happens. We still have a long way to go. Actually, above here is my validation zone. So if we close below right here, that's where I'll put my stop loss above this zone. Buyers try to come in and get the price moving the other side, but they can got absorbed. So we are pushed below. That's what I wanted to see. So I'll move my stop loss right here. So this is my last so we have closed mind you, this we still have a long way to go. Like the low is right here. So we have tested that POC like last Friday's PVL zone. It's around 27 730 right here. This is not what I would love to see, Okay, we yeah, it's true, because now this being validated, then probability is we will be heading right here. But also, mind you, there is a view up right here, so we're still bullish. Yeah, we're still bullish. So I'll break off this, then I'll put my stop loss right here. Because this also, when it's validated, then we might be heading to the upside. I have more buyers coming in, so this is where I'll be getting out of that trade if it doesn't work out. Above right here, sorry. Also, again, buyers being absorbed. If we see a push to the downside, then I'll lock some profit in. This is not what I don't want it to close above, because if it closes above, then just like that, that for me is an indication we are heading to the upside. It's easy getting tapped. So let's see if these buyers get absorbed. Mm, just like that. And we're out. I think I'm done for. Yeah. So we closed above, which means indication of going higher. Mm. This will become a support right now. Mm. This will become a support, you know. A break of that will be good. Right here, and put stoppers right here. Then I target CVD is in support of that. We're left $20. CVD is looking more bullish. That will be my last trade of the day. CBD looking good. I think I'll move to right there, 880. Then I'll trade back to the POC level, which is around 20. Yeah, so you have more buying pressure coming in. I'd love to see this one being broken, you know. TPO looking good. So back again. We tested that. I don't know if we'll be closing above or we just coming to test. Then we head up. So Asian and London consolidated, and New York has opened above. Let's see how it happens. I just want to see this. A bit of consolidation will be good, and not a reversal. So this will be my second place. I'll put my stop loss if we break. I want to see if this holds, because if it doesn't hold, then we might be pushing to the downside. Yeah, now this become low high. So if we close below, then I'll be out of that trade and call it a day. Because this inversion is enough for right there, and this will be then right here another. If we close, then I'll be out of that trade. Also, there's a support right here. So let's see what happens. If it close, yeah. I think already it has shown interest of moving